Hi guys, hope you are really doing well. This is the like most interesting video because in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Fable 5 for completely free. Yeah, if you don't know what is Fable 5, Fable 5 is the best AI model in the world, best LLM in the world. Even government should like hide this model from like our random people. So just think like how aura of this model. So in this video I'm going to show you this how you can use for completely free, and I'm sorry guys, I didn't upload any video in my channel since 2 months. So yeah, let me consistent for my channel. So yeah, let's go ahead with this video. Okay, so you should this is let me go here and you can see this is a v0 app. You should use this site to use Fable 5 for free because this is a one of sister company of Vercel. If you don't know Vercel, Vercel is a hosting company and they provide many kind of service. So they're a big company. So you can use v0 app. Go here and I'm give the link in a description so you can go easily and you can use this model for free. But the thing is you get only $5. So now you probably think that like $5 is nothing, $5 is nothing because it's a like one project, like you can see create Visa account for free, get $5 instantly. But if you like let me check, and if you refer with your friend you get also $5. So this is the most interesting things. Let me show you how you can share this kind of stuff with your friend and get more credit. So here you can see the refer option. So just go and refer and just copy this URL and share with your friends, or share with some WhatsApp group that just share you can use Fable 5 for free. Just go ahead and people are sign up, and people are don't think you are spamming something like that. People are use your link to sign up and you get $5, and they also get extra $5 to sign up with your referral link. So this is exactly how you can use Shopify for completely free. But so cause you should cause it's a free, so that's exactly why you should like little bit hardworking to use it. Cause otherwise you should buy a pro version, because this is the best model in the world. So yeah, and I can see I built this game using Claude. I don't gonna explain this, this game, but you can see you can make this kind of game. This is very cool, the cool interface, the cool, I really like this Fable film, and I'm building very many website. I didn't show you now, and I think this is a very like most powerful model, I think. Yeah. So and don't forget to subscribe me this kind of resource, and if you want videos and resource, and if you want this kind of resource for completely free, like Claude, how to use Claude, GoHighLevel, open Claude, how to start your agency and stuff, so you can go with my link. I'm give this link in a description. You can check it out. So for now, this is gonna end, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow, and please like my video for this kind of video and resources. So yeah, tada.